there was no linkage with trade. No, I'll tell you. So there is no linkage of trade. There was no linkage of trade in any of those conversations, and there was no cause between Prime Minister and President Trump. Now, so
nothing is going on record. Mr. Surjewala, you please don't disturb the house. Please. Please, nothing is going on record. Please.
So I think if honorable members will sit down and allow me to continue.
Please.
During this period, as I said, we had a number of conversations with different countries. We had conversations with the US, we had a conversation with the EU, we had a conversation with Saudi Arabia, and I want to say this, all the calls which I got are actually on record. They are on my social media record. So it was on the 10th of May, we got calls from US, we got calls from Saudi Arabia, we got calls from a few other countries. Most
नहीं आप इस तरह नहीं, प्लीज आप इस तरह आचरण.
So the point is, to everybody the answer was the same. The answer was, if the Pakistanis want to stop fighting, the Pakistanis have to request us. The Pakistanis have to request us through the DGMO channel, and that, sir, is exactly what happened. Now, sir, I would like
मिस्टर माननीय शक्ति सिंह जी, प्लीज आप बैठ जाए. आप बैठे, संजय जी बैठे, प्लीज आप बोले, आपकी बात रिकॉर्ड की जाती है.
So I would like to
Please
share what is the response. Sir,
आप डिसऑर्डर मत क्रिएट करें प्लीज. एज पर रूल्स, गो बाय रूल. शक्ति सिंह जी, आप कुछ भी बोले, आप अपनी बात कुछ भी रखें, दूसरे की बात न सुने, सही नहीं है. प्लीज मर्यादित आचरण रखिए, प्लीज.
Sir, I would like to respond to I would like to share with the House how the world responded to this. One, sir, it's very important for the House to recognize that the UN Security Council passed a statement.
Please. Mr. Jairam Ramesh ji, please take your seat.
Jairam Ramesh, sorry sir, I should address the remarks to you.
Please.
सर, मैं उनको कहना चाहता हूं, वो कान खोल के सुन लें कि 22 अप्रैल से 16 जून तक एक भी फोन कॉल प्रेसिडेंट ट्रंप और प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी के बीच में नहीं.
प्लीज, ये सही परंपरा नहीं. आप अपनी बात कहें और दूसरे पक्ष की बात न सुने. ये लोकतांत्रिक मर्यादा के अनुरूप नहीं है. आप सब लोग धैर्य से सुने. प्लीज आप बोले.
Sir, now if we come to how the world responded, I think
प्लीज नहीं, रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जा रहा है. आप दूसरे की बात सुनने को तैयार नहीं है. आप दूसरा पक्ष सुनते नहीं है. प्लीज, आप अपना पक्ष कहते हैं, दूसरे का भी सुनिए. प्लीज.
In terms of the UN, in terms of the global response, I think most noteworthy was the UN Security Council statement. That statement was very noteworthy because Pakistan was a member of the council. We are not members of the council. Despite not being members of the council, we were able to get the UN Security Council to issue a statement.
बार मैं आपसे अनुरोध कर रहा हूं, कृपया सीट पर बैठकर इस तरह से न चिल्लाएं, न कमेंट्री करें. मैं अनुरोध कर रहा हूं, डू नॉट फोर्स मी. प्लीज प्लीज असंसदीय शब्दों का इस्तेमाल न करें. प्लीज बैठ जाइए. आप बोले. प्लीज.
So the UN Security Council on the 25th of April, और ये सर आप सोचिए कि हम सदस्य नहीं थे, पाकिस्तान सदस्य था, उसके बावजूद आवर डिप्लोमेट